Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. I hope you are also well. Today we'll discuss Google Workspace program. About this topic, hello, the website, learning tools and education solution, elevated education with simple, flexible and secure tools with Google Workspace for education, and enhance class instruction, boost productivity, elevate student work, protect your school. Look, what is your role? Is on IT administration, teacher, instructor, or professor, education leader, or principal, superintendent, curri- and curriculum director, parent, the student, none of the above. Okay, we can select anyone. Choose the Google Workspace for education that's right for your institution. Google Workspace for education fundamentals, bring your school community together with a suite of tools that enables better communication and collaboration. Google Workspace for education standard and teaching and learning upgrades, and bring your school community together with a suite of tools that enables better communication and collaboration. Level up with advanced security analytics and controls of safeguard against evolving digital threats. Teaching and learning upgrades, Google Workspace for Education Plus, formerly known as G Suite Enterprise for Education. Transform your school with a comprehensive solution incorporating advanced security and analytics, enhanced techniques, and learning tools, and more. Include everything in education standard and the teaching and learning upgrades, as well as meeting the etc. You can see. So see you in the next time. Please subscribe our channel, and goodbye.